up, YouTube?
Sup, YouTube?
This is a review on the Cyclops visors that we have made.
This is from a DVD
case.
case. There's some sunglasses under here. Here's these silver bottle caps.
Yeah, bottle caps.
We take them on. The red transparent part.
The red transparent part.
And mostly uses black tape.
Yeah.
To keep it all together.
And we spray painted these glasses black. And we used them because they didn't have any lenses in them.
They didn't have any lenses, so it actually feels pretty good. But
so next we might make a review on our Spider-Man web shooters, but I'm not sure. I got them from Some Idea, and I got this from Some Idea, or we got this from Some Idea. And
the red transparent part, it's like you could get it from Party City or something. Yeah.
Well, you could get them from Walmart.
No, we got it from Party City though.
Yeah, somewhere.
See ya, YouTube.